Pomegranates are more than just delicious fruits. They are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that can work wonders for your skin. So, watch this video till the end to explore how incorporating pomegranate juice into your routine can help you achieve a healthy, youthful, and glowing complexion. It will be interesting. So let's get started. First, natural skin moisturizer. Pomegranate juice contains natural compounds such as punicic acid and omega-5 fatty acids that act as natural skin moisturizers. These ingredients have the ability to penetrate the skin and help lock in moisture. They create a protective barrier on the skin surface, preventing water loss and helping to maintain proper hydration. Regular use of pomegranate juice as a natural moisturizer can combat dryness, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple, and well-nourished. Improved blood circulation. Good blood circulation is a fundamental aspect of healthy skin. Drinking pomegranate juice may enhance circulation throughout your body, including your skin. This improved circulation ensures that skin cells receive a steady supply of oxygen and essential nutrients, contributing to a more vibrant and youthful complexion. It also helps in the removal of waste products and toxins from the skin. Enhanced skin texture. Pomegranate juice naturally exfoliates the skin by promoting the shedding of dead skin cells and encouraging the growth of new, healthy skin cells. This natural exfoliation process leads to smoother skin texture, making it feel more even and refined. It can be especially beneficial for individuals with rough or uneven skin, helping to improve its overall appearance and feel. Skin regeneration. Pomegranate juice contains compounds like polyphenols and ellagic acid that promote skin cell regeneration and repair. This is particularly beneficial for individuals looking to reduce the appearance of blemishes, scars, and skin imperfections. The regenerative properties of pomegranate juice can contribute to smoother, healthier-looking skin by helping to replace damaged or dead skin cells. Skin toning. Some people use diluted pomegranate juice as a natural toner for their skin. When applied topically, it can help balance the pH levels of the skin, which is important for maintaining healthy skin. Additionally, the astringent properties of pomegranate juice can improve overall skin tone and texture. However, it's recommended to perform a patch test before using it topically to ensure your skin does not have an adverse reaction. Skin hydration. Proper skin hydration is essential for achieving a radiant complexion. When your skin is well hydrated, it appears plump, healthy, and vibrant. Dehydrated skin, on the other hand, can appear dry, dull, and accentuate the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. Drinking pomegranate juice can contribute to your overall hydration, helping your skin to look and feel plump, ensuring a radiant appearance. Anti-aging benefits. The antioxidants found in pomegranate juice play a crucial role in combating the signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. They work by protecting the skin from free radical damage, which can accelerate the aging process. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice may contribute to smoother and more youthful-looking skin by reducing the impact of oxidative stress and free radicals on the skin structure and appearance. Enhanced lip health. Pomegranate juice can be used as a natural lip balm to moisturize and protect your lips. It prevents chapping, soothes dry or cracked lips, and provides antioxidant protection to keep your lips soft, smooth, and healthy. Regular use can help maintain the health and appearance of your lips, particularly in harsh weather conditions. Protection against environmental pollutants. Pomegranate juice's antioxidants act as a protective shield against environmental pollutants. The antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals generated by pollution, preventing them from causing damage to your skin. Regular use of pomegranate juice can help maintain a clearer complexion by reducing the negative impact of environmental factors on your skin. Enhanced skin elasticity. Pomegranate juice, rich in ellagic acid and polyphenols, can boost skin elasticity. Ellagic acid helps protect collagen, reducing sagging, while polyphenols shield skin from damage. Enhanced elasticity means firmer, more supple skin with fewer wrinkles, promoting a youthful appearance. To maximize the benefits, use pomegranate juice as part of your skincare routine. And remember to protect your skin from UV radiation. In conclusion, If you want to achieve that coveted youthful and glowing skin, don't underestimate the power of pomegranate juice. With its rich antioxidant content, it can help protect, rejuvenate, and beautify your skin naturally. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and discovered a new beauty secret, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also on the journey to youthful, radiant skin. Your thoughts and experiences with pomegranate juice are precious to us, so don't forget to share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.